Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Chris from GB Cars. Now today we're going to be doing a video of how to change the trunk lock mechanism, of exactly what we're going to be changing. It's on eBay. The link will be in the description of how to get this item. Okay, it doesn't close. So we're going to be attempting to fix this mechanism. We're going to be changing it, and I'm going to walk you through the step of how to get that done. All right, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4 T20 bolts that are located right above the trunk here, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that.
Clips that we have to remove using our trim removal tool, whether this one or plastic removal trim tools. We're going to be using to remove these from the vehicle. I'm going to show you the safe way of removing these clips from the vehicle without damaging. Two clips that are found on either side of the trunk bracket right here. So you can just pull them from there and from there. Now to remove the trunk lights, you just squeeze on the clip at the back to release it. To remove the cover,
let's put it back in reverse.
Alright, so the cable actually goes this direction, goes right there, and it goes to the mechanism here.
Back to you. Say it like
First, you'd have to disconnect the cable here to remove the lock mechanism. It can be taken out without removing it, but it's best to remove it in that order. So the first thing you do is remove the lock mechanism, then pull the bolt. You're going to use a flathead screwdriver to release the boil connection to the lock mechanism. After that, you are free to change your lock in your car.
you.
Okay, this is how the trunk lock mechanism looks. If you want to remove it, you just use a flathead screwdriver just to lift out the lock at this end, and this releases the trunk lock. And also you can gain access if you want to change the trunk lock by just releasing this lock. The lock looks like this and it wraps around. For adjustment to the striker block, you can look at these two arrows. Remember to mark them before you adjust each of the sides of the striker block. For future videos, just hit the bell notification, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.